Microsoft Excel is so powerful to be able to create any form of template of interest. Once again, my name is Abdullah Falade. In this video, we want to look at how powerful Microsoft Excel is when it comes to building template. Can you believe that I was able to build this progress tracker using Microsoft Excel? You just have to get yourself, busy, and you dedicate your time to learn. And the more you can learn, the more you will be able to practice and get better at using Microsoft Excel. In this progress tracker, we're able to design it in such a way that we have the list of activities, and as you tick, it's going to show the progress of your activities. And at the same time, you will see a kind of a remark, nice, you can do more. And if I should also be able to achieve the lunch, I can have it at 50% of the total activity achieved, which is telling me that Abdullah, you are winning. And if I should be able to do more, I can also have another remark, still the same with that, Abdullah, you are winning. And if I'm able to do up to 75%, you can see the remark that Abdullah, you are almost there. So if I'm able to watch the movie, it's telling me, Abdullah, you are almost there. And finally, it's telling me that congratulations. Abdullah, congratulations. So this is how powerful Microsoft Excel is. You can do this on your own. It doesn't require any knowledge of programming. You just need to use the if functions, the conditional statement, and your chart. That's all, together with the help of developer. I hope you'll be able to do this on your own. And if you want me to start from the beginning to show you how this is done, please drop the comment at below this video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.